Hello, this is Doris. I'm a librarian at the Palo Alto City Library, and today I'm going to show you how you can use shaving cream to create really cool marbled stationery. Here's what you'll need: a pan, a spatula or something to stir with, foaming shaving cream. I'm using neon food coloring, some toothpicks, these are optional, cardstock, and some cardboard. First, I'm going to spray a layer of shaving cream into the pan and then add a few drops of blue food coloring. Give this a quick swirl, and I'm going to try not to overdo it because I want that cool marbling effect to show through. And let's add a little bit of purple. I'm pressing the paper into the shaving cream and it kind of marbles itself when I lift it up. I'm going to set this aside for now. What's fun about this craft is that there's no right or wrong way to do this, and each time you do it you'll get a different design. You can keep repeating this process or give the shaving cream a few more swirls like I'm doing here. Feel free to experiment with different color combinations. Right now I'm going to add a little bit of green to the mixture. If you find the colors are too muddled, you can add more shaving cream, or if you have too much white, just add some more food coloring. Next, we are going to scrape off the extra shaving cream with our cardboard. This is actually really satisfying. You can also use a paper towel to pat at the areas where you still have some extra cream left. And that's it. All that's left to do is to let the paper dry. And once they're dried, if you find that the edges are curling up, just place them under a pile of heavy books and they should flatten out. I hope you try out this fun and relaxing craft yourself and make some really cool designs. Thanks for joining us.